Hi, my name is Dina. I just completed my Don't Panic class with James. This has been an amazing experience. Some of the key things that I've loved was you learn to be present, you learn to enjoy failure. In general, my mind is structured based on my work to be process-oriented, but here you learn that you just need to go with the flow and be spontaneous, and so this is something I really liked. And one of the other things that was amazing was, in general, in a business environment or even in sports, we're wired to be competitive, but over here you're wired to be supportive to all of your team members and create that amazing picture by being supportive to one another. So these are some of the things that I really enjoyed. The class was amazing, you meet amazing people, and James as an instructor was phenomenal. He gives great feedback. You learn a lot from him, and in general, you feel that the 2 hours that you spend in each class pass by in seconds. So I would hands down recommend this class to anybody.